Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. As you can see, I have done almost all of my makeup except for the eyes because आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be trying out the newly launched K by Katrina Eye Canvas Eyeshadow palette. Now they have launched 3 shade variations in this palette and I got myself the shade Sunkissed. Of course, it is a neutral warm tone palette. I mean, you know the deal. I am a fan of neutral palettes and this one was right up my alley. So I'm going to be trying out this palette with you guys today, and yeah, let's get started with today's video. So this video is a bonus video, you guys. I do not post on Fridays. I ordered my palette on Tuesday, I got it on Wednesday, I'm filming on Thursday, and I'll be posting it on Friday. Now this is what it looks like. It comes in this classic K wala box. It comes with a cushioned interior which is perfect to protect your palette from breaking. And then this is what the palette actually looks like. The packaging is really nice and luxe, though it's plastic, but still it's nice and heavy. It comes with a full-sized mirror, and then these are all the shades in this palette. I was super excited about this pressed glitter, guys, but of course you need to have a proper primer base and everything to apply this glitter, otherwise it does not translate so much. I'm not going to be using this glitter in today's look, but anyways, let's get started and create a nice simple everyday warm toned eyeshadow look. I'm going to first take this light peachy shade, and of course I'm going to apply it in the crease and above the crease as my transition shade. The mirror on this is absolutely stunning, guys. It's such a nice quality mirror and it's very clear, and you really do not need anything else with this mirror. Do you need me to zoom you guys in? Let me zoom you guys in. It's pretty pigmented, guys. Like, I've just dipped my brush in it and it is giving a full-on pigment. It's nice and pigmented. And the next, to soften it even further, I'm taking this shade, and with the same brush I'm applying it in my crease and above the crease to soften it a tad bit more and to make it a tad bit more neutral. This shade was too peachy for the look that I'm going for. Next, I'm taking this shade and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid up until the crease. There is a tad bit of a fallout, guys, but which is normal. I have already done my base makeup, but I need to be a little bit careful and dust off any excess, and then you can definitely build it up as much as you want to. I'm putting it everywhere on my eyelid, and I'm also going to smoke it out on the outer edge, just like that. And this is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dark coffee chocolatey brown shade. Now I really do want to try out one of her marbled shades, and this is the shade that I'm going for. To pick it up with a flatter shader brush, and I'm going to apply it on my mobile eyelid. It's a beautiful glittery shade, guys. It has such a nice golden glitter all over it, and I mean, just look at how stunning it looks. Do you see it in the camera? I hope you see it in the camera. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Wow, I love it. I love it. Isn't it just stunning? Next up, I'm going to take this light champagne golden shade and I'm using it to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. And it is a beautiful shade, guys. It's such a pretty inner corner highlight shade, and it's perfect and very beautiful. I also have this brand new eyeliner from her, which is the Gel Formula Waterproof All Day Wear Effortless Glide Ink Artist Gel Kajal in the shade Bronze. I bought it some time back and I haven't tried it yet. So, and I mean, obviously it's going to go perfectly with this eye look. So I thought, why not try it today? Let me open it first. I'm using it to line my waterline with this. And I'm also using a tiny bit of it along with my upper lash line, just to add a bit more smokiness and bronziness to the look. It's a beautiful, beautiful bronzy eyeliner, guys, and the formula is stunning. It just glided on like butter. Next up, I'm going to go back in with the darkest brown, and I'm using it to smudge out the eyeliner along with the lower lash line. With this, we are done with the eyeshadow look, and let me quickly go ahead and add a mascara and a lipstick to finish off the look, and then I'll be back with you to finish off the video. And I'm back. So for my final thoughts, you guys, I absolutely love this palette. Let me show you some swatches. The pigmentation on this palette is absolutely stunning, guys. There is no doubt about that. Like, this is a one dip kind of a palette. You do not have to, you know, dip your brush too hard to get any pigment out of it. It's a super pigmented palette. This palette retails for 17.99 rupees, which is a bit pricey, but again, an investment and worth the investment. The quality, the blendability, the pigmentation, everything on this palette is absolutely stunning. It's a top-notch high quality palette, and trust me, you will love having it in your collection. You can definitely use it for an everyday basis, and you can create a good smoky eye with it as well. You have seen me create one, and I absolutely love it. And of course, Katrina Kaif just nailed this formula, and it's a stunning palette. Well, that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.